Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 7 of CMA final SFM lease versus buy option. Please read the questions here. Look at it. Illustration number 7. HP Finance Limited is considered to enter into the computer leasing business. Mainframe computers can be purchased for rupees 2 lakhs each in the terms of lease payment rupees 50,000 per year for 8 years and the initial payment occurring at the end of the first year and you may ignore depreciation and tax for these questions. Okay, estimate the annual before tax expenses internal rate of return IRR you have to calculate. It means in the first part, answer of first part questions, answer of first part, that is the A part, you have to calculate IRR. You are going to investing here 2 lakh rupees. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You are going to receive 50,000 lease rent in each year. Then what will be the IRR? The formula of IRR is lower rate, net present value at lower rate, net present value at lower rate minus net present value at higher rate. This is the higher rate minus lower rate. This is the formula for IRR. Now the question is, you have to calculate net present value at two rates. By what rate you need to calculate? One should be positive net present value, one should be negative net present value. For this you have to calculate working note average return. Average return that is 2 lakh investment a year 50,000, that is 50,000 is inflow, 50,000 is inflow. So now average return is 50,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100. This is approx 25%. This is 25%. Okay, now 25%. We have to see present value factors nearby of these. This is 25%. Present value factors. Present value factors in this case, that is present value annuity factor for this. Look at here. Present value annuity factor. What's the present value annuity factor? 18%, 8 years. And present value annuity factor should be nearby 4. How? Why nearby 4? Because of 2 lakh you have invested, 50,000 is coming. This is the 4. And present value annuity factor is 18%. Why 18%? We have to see from the present value annuity factor table. You need a table for this. Then 18% it is present value annuity factor 18%, 4.077, but it should be 4. Therefore we must have to increase the rate. Very low annuity factor 19%, 8. This is a 3.954, but we have present value annuity factor 4. In this case you need to calculate present value annuity factor like your investment and inflow nearby 4. It should be nearby 4. Okay, it means IRR lies between 18% and 19%. Net present value at the rate of 18%, this is 50,000 is coming into 4.077 minus 2 lakh. Net present value at the rate of 19%, 50,000 is coming 3.954 minus 2 lakh. In this case, net present value is 3850. In this case, minus 2300. Now you have to understand, how can I understand this is a 18% will be, this is a 19%. This answer you will receive from my concept class, and present you have to see in present value factor nearby 4 rate, okay. Now IRR, in this case IRR lower rate 18% plus 3850 whole divided by 3850 minus 2300, 19% minus 18%. This is 18% plus 3850 whole divided by 6150 into 1, that equal to 18.63%. 63%. This is your percent. Okay. Now, what is the answer of B part? Answer of B part. Please look at it. What should be the yearly lease payment charged by the company in order to earn 20% annual compounded return? This for 20% return, present value of cash inflow must be equal to present value of cash outflow at the rate of 20%. What is the present value of cash inflow? Let assume X. Present value annuity factor 20%, 8 years, that is rupees 2 lakh, or X into present value annuity factor, that is 3.83, 71598, that is rupees 2 lakh, or X equal to annual lease rent. Lease rent rupees 2 lakh divided by 3.8371598, that is rupees 52,000 1 to 1 lakhs. This should be annual lease rents for 20% return. Okay. Lessor should charge this percentage lease, this rupees lease for the 8 years for 20% return. Now, answer of C part. Answer of C part. Look at the question here. Assume that the firm uses the straight line method of depreciation. There is no salvage value. The annual expenses rupees 20,000 and the tax rate 35%. Calculate the yearly lease payments in order to form 20% return. In this case, lessor is able to charge depreciation, and you need to calculate cash inflow because of expenditure also incurred. Okay, look at here. Work you note first. Calculation of depreciation. Cost minus scrap value over life. Cost is your 2 lakh. Scrap value is 0. This is your 8. That this is 25,000. Let annual lease rent be X. Annual expenditure minus 20,000, depreciation minus 25,000, earning before tax x minus 45,000, less tax rate, tax 35%, 0.35x minus 15750, earning after tax 0.65x, this minus, if you do then this become plus, minus 29,250, 29,250, add depreciation 25,000, operating operating lease cash inflow 0.65x minus 4250, 4250, for 20% return, 20% return, there must be present value of cash inflow equal to present value of cash outflow at the rate of 20%. That is 0.65x minus 4250 into present value annuity factor 20% 8 years equal to 2 lakhs, or 0.65x minus 4250 into 3.8372, 8372, this is rupees 2 lakh, and you have to calculate value of x, okay, or 0.65x equal to 2 lakh divided by 3.8372 plus 4250, 4250, 4250, this is, or x equal to 52,121 plus 4250 whole divided by 0.65. Annual lease rent charge, annual lease rent should be charged for 20% return, 20% return. This should be 86725, 86725, 86725. Okay, now answer of part D we need to consider. Part D is also exact the same way. Look at here. Further assume that the computer has resale value. In this part there was no resale value. Determine the revised lease rental enabled to form 20% return. That is a resale value. That is a scrap value. 20,000, 40,000. Okay. Now, in this case, you have to also calculate depreciation. But in this case, you have to charge depreciation as scrap value 40,000. Remaining all things are same. Calculation of depreciation. Calculation of depreciation. depreciation, that is 2 lakh minus 40,000 divided by 8, that equal to 20,000. Let annual lease rent X less annual expenditure, this is 20,000, less depreciation, this is also 20,000, earning before tax X minus 40,000, less tax 40%, that is 35%, 0.6535 0.35x minus 14,000, earning after tax 0.65x minus 26,000, add depreciation, operating lease cash inflow, lease cash inflow 0.65x minus 6,000, present value of lease cash inflow 0.65x minus 6,000. This is present value annuity factor 20%, 8 years, 0.65x minus 6,000 into 3.8372, that is rupees 8372, the 2.494187, 2.49418 minus 23023. This is a present value operating cash inflow. Now we need to calculate terminal cash inflow. Calculation of present value of terminal cash inflow. Terminal cash inflow. Present value of terminal cash inflow. Look at it. Terminal cash inflow. In this case, your scrap value 40,000 is assumed to be sale value. Sale value of assets equal to scrap value, that is 40,000. Present value factor 20%, 8 years, 0.23257. Present value of terminal cash inflow. Terminal cash inflow. This is rupees 9303. 9303. Now for 20% return, present value of cash inflow equal to present value of cash outflow at the rate of 20%. And this is your 0.49418. This is your operating lease rent. minus 23023 plus 9303 present value of cash outflow, this is rupees 2 lakh, or x equal to 2 lakh minus 9303 plus 23023 whole divided by 2.49418, that is 213,720 whole divided by 2.49418, that is rupees 85,687. This is the present value of terminal cash inflow, 85,687. In this way, we have calculated all alternatives, lease rents as well as IR. This is a very good questions. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.